We've developed an in-depth curriculum for every category that we're going to cover, whether it's confections or pastry or plated dessert, so that you can really see many examples of the recipes, not just one.
The amazing thing about the Chocolate Academy Online is you can follow courses from chefs from all over the world while being in the comfort of your own house.
You can play it back, fast forward, stop, play it again, pause.
It's really more than just a recipe. Here on the platform, you're really seeing all of the techniques, all of the tools, all of the equipment, the way we handle the products, you see all of it.
So I think it's a great way to learn from some of the best professionals in the world.
Hi, I'm Chef Russ Thayer.
I am Marieke van Beurden.
My name is Nicolas Duterte.
Hi, I'm Andres Lara.
I'm Chef Lee van Keizelen.
I'm Chef Mark Seaman.
Hi, I'm Jeffrey Finkelstein.
I'm Chef Julien Roy.
My name is Luis Robledo.
I'm Lauren Haas. Welcome to the Chocolate Academy Online.